Hi, welcome to another Silvio Tech How To videos. In this video I'll be showing you how to upgrade your Mac Mini for this specific version, the Mac Mini 2011 version, how to upgrade the RAM on it. It is an extremely easy process. I think it's one of the easiest ways that Apple could have made it. I guess that's the only thing they want you to upgrade on the Mac Mini. The process is really simple. You just put your thumbs on the two holes right here and then just move it to how you know the dots right there. You have to move it so that they're outside one. Alright, so just lift it off, and then that's what we have, the hole. We have it open now. So here's the RAM right here. You just have to lift these two hatches right here. Right there, you just lift them up and then they pop out. Here's the first set of RAM. Then lift the other hatch and the other set. This one's always the hardest one to put in and to take out. Here's the other RAM right here. So I'm gonna install the replacement RAM. I'm going from 2 gigs to 8 gigs of RAM. Here are the two OWC RAM. And just pop it in here. Like I said, it's always harder to get the second set inside first. Finally got it out inside. I'm gonna add the last one. And they both clicked in now. So there you have it. Just close up the lid again. Like I said, you have to notice where the dots on the lid are. You have to move it over to where both dots meet, so that the lid won't fall off anymore. Alright, there you have it. That's how you upgrade your RAM on the Mac Mini, specifically the 2011 edition. Thanks for watching.